Following the incident at Phubala, where Kuki militants opened fire on a Meitei farmer, security forces launched a combing operation at Lanchingmanbi village. During the operation, security forces came under fire from unknown armed miscreants, believed to be Kuki militants, and the forces retaliated, leading to exchange of gunfire. During the exchange of gunfire, a woman named Hoi Kolhing, wife of Lanchingmanbi village chief, was caught in a crossfire and was killed. The lifeless body was later brought to Churachandpur district hospital by the police personnel, and a case was also registered for further investigation. Security forces, however, continued their operation. On the other hand, authority has inspected the security arrangement at Phubala High Canal to ensure safe farming and for protection of farmers in the area.